Hi to all of you. Today I'm going to guide you step in the secret strategy which is going to help you to scalp. You may find some little scalping trade, but with this strategy you will find out something great. It's not based on technically or something. This is based on a gap trading. Look here, let's suppose this is a candle, which is a buy candle. Okay, this is a sell candle. In these both candles here you guys can see a gap. Between these two candles there is a gap. So when you see that type of gap and if market is going up, doesn't matter. If market is going, doesn't matter. If the gap appeared, market will definitely come to fulfill this gap. How? Now let's move to the guide. Let's show you the live example. Here you guys can see this is a candle, and between these two candles there is a gap. Here you guys can see there is a gap. And now what happened? Let me guide you. When you see this gap, let's suppose the market was going down and you find this gap. How to take a trade? Just simply let the market go and relax. It's mean market find out a supply or demand level, go to support or go to the resistance, and market stay. Once it stay, what to do? Simply go and take a buy trade. Once you take a buy trade, definitely market will go back to fulfill this area. And you see market went back and fulfilled this gap and you made the profit. Let me show you one more example. You may find less trades, but you'll find definitely something. Here you guys can see a gap. Okay, market found a piece. Here is the level where market found a piece. It means market stayed. Okay, you took a buy trade and definitely market went to fulfill this gap and you made the profit. If you focus, you will find some good trades. Look here, market was going buy. There is a gap. You find out this is the gap. Now let's wait. Once market went to the resistance, here, just simply wait. Market started going back. You open your sell and the gap is fulfilled. Your sell went in profit. Here you see market was down. A gap appeared. Once market come back to this support area, back, let me show you, draw the support area. Here is the support area. Market went to this support area, you took a buy and you take profit, fulfill this gap. And after you took the buy, market went there, then your buy went in profit. Let me show you another example. Look here, this is the gap. Market was going down. Let it go down. Once market found a piece, it's mean a support area. Market stayed here in a range. This is the support, and market started going up. Once the buy started, you also take a buy. Put your stop loss here. You took a buy and look here. The gap is fulfilled. You made the profit. Very easy, very simple. Each time the gap appear, let the market find a support or resistance. Once market found the support resistance and it start going back to fulfill the gap, you will also enter and make the money. Hope you found it helpful. If need more explanation, type in comments. I will give you more guides.